What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing Bandai's anime heroes, Yuji Itadori. Let's get into it. Let's open her up. Dang, my knife's dull. Put that away. Alright, now let's check out the character or figure. We have Yuji Itadori, like I said before. He's got a neck or a head swivel. He's got the arm joints, the elbow joints, and the wrist joints. He's got a turnable and somewhat leanable joint right here. He's got the underwear joint, both thigh joints, knee joints, two side knee joints, so you can bend it like that. And he's got the ankle swivel, but no toe swivel. Next up for the accessories, we have the other set of hands, where it's just an open hand, maybe for clapping, smacking, doesn't really matter, but open hand. And then you have the cool part about this figure is the cursed energy, I think, that flows through his hands in the anime. You also have that in his action figure. So let's get to posing.
Whatever happened to the young lovers? One got shot and the other got lost in drugs and punks and blood on the street, blood on her knees, bloody hands.
Now for the rating of this figure, I'm going to give it, well, since there's only two sets of hands, I would have liked to see at least one more with like Sukuna's mouth or something. I do like that it adds this accessory. The figure is very stiff, and I like that a lot. Not like stiff where you can't move the joints, but not loose like the Sasuke figure I have of anime heroes. That's why I was second guessing myself on buying it, because I don't have a good past with anime heroes. But I also wish they had a second head sculpt with like the Sukuna tattoos, and I might even just take this one, paint over it if I feel like it, and then just wash it off for like a video or something. But for the overall rating of this figure, it's got it was $20, so reasonable price for what we got. I think I'm gonna rate it 9 out of 10. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.